Hey guys, Ace of Bats here. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Wanted to ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, helps us bring more quality content to you guys, and then that's going to get you guys to the lovely Mirage Volcano a lot faster. Bats here, just got off the plane and got checked in here in New York. So I tried the $25 trick, per usual, just because I like to see what else I can get, see if I can get the most out of my comps. And so I got set up with a Park Avenue room initially, that's what I booked. But, you know, my lovely concierge, oh, pardon me, ladies, she set me up with a different type of room. It's a Madison Avenue, which is a step up from there. 1546, so I'm down the hall this way. It's pretty close to the elevators, which is nice, especially if it's going to be a long night of gaming. I'm going to be exhausted, and this will be nice. So I think I found my room right here. 1546 is on the corner. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get our card. Adding this to the MGM cards collection. Woo, alright, good deal. So double queen beds. This is a pretty big one. Nice little, okay. So we got the flat panel telly. Beautiful armoire. Okay, much better than what I was expecting. Yeah, it's actually pretty solidly built for no additional fee, which is great. And then we have the chairs over here. A couple of lamps. Wonder if there's a light switch on the, oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so we got a desk over here if we want to get some work done. If we decide to video edit or whatever. So we have that. And, oh, she even upgraded the view so I can see the whole strip from here just past the roller coaster, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. Alright. Good deal. Here, let's take a look-see at the bathroom. I understand the bathrooms are a little bit smaller than the ones at the Mandalay Bay that we went to last time. So, let's get a little light in here, see what we can do. Wallpaper's in pretty good shape, all things considered. A couple little scuffs here and there, but you know, hotel's almost as old as I am, so there's that. We got the lights in here, we got the little close-up mirror for shaving close. And oh, it's a shower tub, okay, but this one has curtains to it, so that's nice. I know the other one just had like a weird door sort of thing, and I think this is proper Ace of Bats height for the shower head there, appropriate toiletries, and we are locked and loaded with stuff. Cool. So I'm feeling pretty comfortable here. Alright, well I guess it's time for me to go ahead and unpack. It looks like this was a successful $20 technique, and I am ready to get rocking and rolling. So in the meantime, guys, Ace of Bats is signing out.